Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Tech Hunter, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix folder or file deleting problem in computer. Here I have a folder with this problem. When I try to delete this folder, it is still showing could not find this item. This is no longer located. If I try again, same problem showing again and again and again. So now I'm gonna fix this problem without any software. So let's go started for it. First, go to Start menu and then type in the search box CMD and then open CMD and type here cd /d and then copy the folder location and paste it here. Then press on enter. Then type here dir /x. Then press on enter. And now find out which folder you want to delete. As I want to delete this folder, you should be very careful about folder selection, because unfortunately if you select any other folder, this folder will delete permanently. So for select this folder, scroll down and type here rmdir /q /s, then space again, and here type your folder name. And now press on enter. See, this folder deleted successfully. I hope now you can fix this problem. If you need any other problem solution, you can comment in this video. To get more this type of videos, don't forget to like or subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.